Good morning, Essentials families. Well, it's almost lunchtime, but here goes. Today we are doing lesson 17, Pompeii, part 1. The biggest thing different from last week is we're using 3 source texts, and that looks overwhelming when you look at the sources because they are 4 paragraphs per source. But if you look in your teacher's guide, it labels them by subject. We have Roman City, Mount Vesuvius, excavation, and today. And those 4 topics are the same in each source text. So mamas, you probably want to go through your student book and label. They've got a little line there for you to label the topics, and the answers are in your teacher guide, and that will help. So then you're going to read the 3 source texts and decide which topic you want to do your paragraph on. Josie chose that she wanted to do the Roman city, Pompeii. So we went through and we read the source text and we chose keywords, and for us today, we wrote them on little strips of paper and put them on the board. And then we're going to do the fused outline. The only outline she's going to copy on her paper is going to be the fused one. We did the others orally. So right now we're going to look at our outlines, and then we're going to make our fused outline together. So let's look at, there is the first one. We've got the Roman, Pompeii, then and now. The topic is going to stay the same for all 3. Then we have a trip back in time, and then Pompeii, the last source text. And we chose 5 facts that she thought was interesting or important for each of the outlines, each of the passages. And now she's going to come and we're going to make the fused outline together. All right, Josie, pick the first one. Or we're going to do coastal, so she's going to take that one.
This is a bad choice.
And we're going to put it on our fused outline. And that's going to go in our number 1 spot. And then we're picking from the first outline, 2,000 years ago, prosperous port city.
Race 3.
Right there. 5 miles, Mount Vesuvius and volcano, home of Vulcan. And that's going to go in our 3 spot. And you see how she's choosing facts from each of the outlines.
Pre-planned lesson. Gotta put more tape on this.
So once you decide what topic you're doing, if you're doing Mount Vesuvius, you only really need to focus on the Mount Vesuvius passage in each of the source texts.
Thanks. I'm gonna get it to stay.
All right, so we've got 5, and we've got a few more to pick.
This is 6.
Could be. Yes.
Yeah, I don't see any other ones that look like 6 on there. Next time we're using magnets.
And then 7. last, and you may have a few less facts if you're first year, or you can do, you know, 7 or 8 facts if this is your second or third tour. So there we have our fused outline that she's going to copy down in her notebook. And then you will use that fused outline to write one paragraph. We're only writing one paragraph this week. Next week we'll continue and write a second paragraph, but today is just one paragraph. The rest of the information for this week I'll put in the email. There's not a lot of extra. The main thing is working from 3 source texts this week. So hope y'all have a good day.